In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a one-to-one email from the CRM in HubSpot. Start by opening your browser and searching for HubSpot. Click through to the official HubSpot website and sign in to your account. Once you're in, move your mouse over the left sidebar and look for the CRM area. From there, go to Contacts. This brings up your contact list, where you can scroll or use the search bar to quickly find the person you want to reach out to. Click the contact's name to open their record. You'll land on their timeline, which shows recent activity and communication. At the top of this area, click Email to open the email composer. If you don't see the email option, make sure your inbox is connected in your HubSpot settings. Without a connected inbox, sending and scheduling from the CRM won't be available. In the composer, add a clear, concise subject line. Aim for something that sets the right expectation and makes it easy for the recipient to understand why you're reaching out. Then type your message in the body. Keep it personal and to the point, and use formatting sparingly so it's easy to read. You can reference recent interactions from the contact's timeline to tailor your message for extra relevance. Now, instead of sending it immediately, look to the right of the Send button and click the small drop-down arrow. From that menu, choose Send Later. This opens the scheduling panel. If prompted again, click Send Later to confirm you want to schedule rather than send now. Next, select the date and time you want the email to go out. Pay attention to the time zone displayed so your message lands when it's most likely to be seen. If you're emailing someone in a different region, consider scheduling for their business hours. HubSpot may show suggested times, but you can adjust to whatever works best for your outreach plan. Once you've picked the schedule, click Schedule. HubSpot will queue the email and send it automatically at the time you chose. After scheduling, you can return to the contact's record to review the pending email on their timeline. Up until the scheduled send time, you can edit or cancel if something changes. That's it. You searched for HubSpot and logged in, navigated to Contacts, opened the contact's record, composed your email with a solid subject and message, used the drop-down next to Send to choose Send Later, selected your date and time, and clicked Schedule. Follow these steps anytime you want consistent, timely one-to-one outreach directly from your CRM.